Hi folks, David Waring here again with InformedTrades.com and today's lesson of the day. In our last lesson we continued our free Forex trading course with a second look at rollover and how to determine whether you're either going to pay or receive interest for holding a position past 5 p.m. New York time. In today's lesson we're going to wrap up our module on the logistics of Forex trading with a look at the free real-time charts available in our demo trading platforms. So let's get started.
If you've not done so already, I encourage you to pause this video now and click the link above this video if you're watching on InformedTrades.com or to the right of this video if you're watching on YouTube, and register for a free real-time demo so you can follow along as well. Once logged into the platform, in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see a menu item that says Charts, and when you click that, it's going to give you a drop-down menu where one of the options says Create Market Shot. Go ahead and select that, which is going to bring up the Create Market Shot window, which allows you to select the instrument that you want to chart. We're just going to leave it at Euro US dollar. Select the time frame there, which we're going to chart hourly in 60 minutes. And then the date from, which I've selected April 1st here, so I'm going to chart the month, an hourly chart of this month as of this lesson, and then the date to, which I'm going to leave unchecked, which makes it default to the current time frame. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can click OK there, and that's going to bring up the chart window, which you can maximize there so you can get a better view of the chart. And then going across the top menu bar, you can see here you can change the instrument if you wanted to after you launch the chart. I've just changed it to a $-yen 60 minute, change it back to a Euro US dollar 60 minute. Here you can change the time frame, just change it to a daily chart, and you can see it's very quick. Back to hourly. Here you can change, right now we have a candlestick chart. If you want to change that to a bar chart, you can do so here. If you're not familiar with the different types of charts, go ahead and go back to our free Basics of Trading course, Module 1. There's a lesson there that goes over the different types of charts there. Next button over, this allows you to change the rate which is used to plot the chart from the bid to the ask or vice versa. If you remember from our previous lessons in our free Forex course, there's two prices at any one time that the market maker makes, both the bid and the ask, and so you can decide which you want to use to actually plot the chart with. Now most charts are going to default to the bid price, so I like to leave it at the bid. Just remember that if you open at the bid, then you are closed at the ask price, which is going to be important when looking to see if you were stopped out of a trade or whatever it may be, because there's going to be a small difference there depending on what the spread is for the currency pair. Okay. Next thing over is the zoom in and zoom out buttons, so you can get a little closer view or back out on the chart there. I don't really use any of the next few buttons until we get over to the Add Indicator button, and if you click that, this will bring up a window with about 40 indicators in it, and here you're going to find all of the indicators which we've gone over in our free Basics of Trading course in the free course section of InformedTrades.com, and it's really easy to add an indicator there. You can customize whether it goes off the open, close, high or low, whatever you want there. You can customize the line color if you want to make it a little, let's make it red here. Okay. And you can customize the name of the indicator. It's very customizable. Okay. And there it is. All right. And then if you want to take that indicator off, you just select it here and click OK, and then it's gone. All right. Next is drawing trend lines. Pretty easy. Everything's pretty intuitive here. Okay. You can customize a lot of the features there. If you want to erase that, you just click the little eraser button there and you're good to go there. Fibonacci's, pivot levels, text, if you want to type in some text onto the chart, you can do that there, which a lot of people will do if they're sharing charts with different people or printing out a chart to remember something and sticking it on the wall, or if you wanted to upload a chart, screenshot of a chart to InformedTrades.com. That's an interesting feature there. Here, if we launch a couple of more charts. Let's say we wanted to have a dollar yen chart up. You can see it opens a new tab there. And let's say we also wanted to have a cable chart up, a pound dollar chart. Okay, we've got 3 tabs up there, but let's say I wanted to see all those on one window here. Okay, we can go to tile, and that's going to allow us to see all those 3 charts in one window instead of the tabs there. Okay, and then one last thing here is if you go to the charts menu and then you go to well, firstly you can print the chart from here, but more importantly is the options selection there, and this is where you can change all of the different things about the chart. The chart's very customizable. You can change the background colors, the colors of the indicators, colors of the Fibonacci's, candlesticks, all that good stuff. So I like just to keep things simple, so I pretty much stick with the defaults. But for those of you who want to play around and customize a lot of things, you do have that ability from here. Okay, so that's our lesson for today, and that wraps up our lesson on the logistics, or lessons on the logistics of Forex trading. So you should now have all the tools necessary to technically analyze the market and execute a demo trade based on that analysis. In our next lesson, we're going to start a new module on what moves the Forex market, so we can combine some of the fundamentals that are unique to the Forex market with some of the technical strategies and tools that we've learned in our free basics of trading course, and give you sort of a full big picture of the market. So we hope to see you in that lesson. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and good luck with your trading.